Ever pondered over why we have such a wide variety of house types? Or how their architectural design might be benefiting you without you even realizing it? Well, you're about to find out. Our homes are more than just four walls and a roof. They are architectural marvels, designed with intention, each offering unique advantages. So come along on this journey to explore the fascinating world of house types and their architectural benefits. First, let's take a trip to the countryside with the charming farmhouse style. These homes, with their sprawling porches and simple, functional design, are built to withstand the test of time. Their open floor plans promote a social environment, perfect for big family gatherings or a quiet night in. Then we have the timeless Victorian houses, a marvel of the late 19th century. With their complex designs and intricate detailing, these homes are a testament to aesthetic beauty. Their large windows allow for plenty of natural light, while the high ceilings create a sense of spaciousness, a perfect blend of form and function. Now let's shift our gaze to the modern marvels of minimalist architecture. These houses, with their clean lines and open spaces, promote a clutter-free lifestyle. The large glass windows and doors not only let in a flood of natural light, but also help to create a seamless transition between the indoors and outdoors. On the other hand, the sturdy and robust ranch-style houses, originating from the United States, are known for their single-story design. This layout offers easy accessibility, making it a great choice for those with mobility issues or families with young children. Now imagine a house that is not just a living space, but also a sustainable solution. That's what the eco-friendly house style offers. These houses are designed with energy efficiency and sustainability in mind, using solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and other green technologies to reduce environmental impact. Last but not least, let's visit the enchanting world of the Tudor-style houses. With their steeply pitched roofs, half-timbering and narrow windows, these houses are reminiscent of an English country cottage. Their design provides excellent insulation, keeping the house warm in winter and cool in summer. In conclusion, every house type, be it a charming farmhouse, a timeless Victorian, a modern minimalist, a sturdy ranch, an eco-friendly house, or an enchanting Tudor, comes with its own set of architectural benefits. These range from promoting a social environment, allowing natural light, encouraging a clutter-free lifestyle, offering easy accessibility, reducing environmental impact, to providing excellent insulation. So the next time you look at a house, don't just see it as a building, see it as an architectural marvel, designed with intention and offering unique advantages. Because at the end of the day, a house is more than just a place to live. It's a place that shapes our lifestyle and our experiences. But the best house is one that is customized to your needs by professional architects and civil engineers. These professionals are not just creators of buildings, they are artists who weave together the threads of your lifestyle, preferences and needs into a home that is uniquely yours. Let's delve deeper into why hiring professionals like architects and civil engineers is crucial when planning to build a house. Architects are the visionaries who design your house. They take into account the location, orientation, and your personal style to create a design that is functional, aesthetically pleasing, and perfectly suited to you. Civil engineers, on the other hand, make this vision a reality. They ensure that the house is structurally sound and safe, and that it adheres to all necessary building codes and regulations. In addition to their expertise, professionals offer you the advantage of experience. They can foresee potential problems and offer solutions before they become major issues. They can guide you through complicated processes like obtaining permits, dealing with contractors, and managing your budget. So before you start building, make sure to hire a professional architect and civil engineer to ensure your house is not just a building, but a home tailored to your lifestyle. Because in the end, the true beauty of a house lies not just in its design, but in how well it fits the people who live in it.